Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. This week's video is going to be a super quick haul from Ikea, Marshalls, and Walmart. I would have filmed the whole adventure, but I was not expecting to find this much stuff. All I had to do was return one thing from Ikea and pick up some produce from Walmart, and then it ended up being an all-day shopping adventure. Most of it is for my patio, and I am going to be doing a whole balcony makeover video, so make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss that one. It's gonna be really, really good. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the very first thing that I got is from Ikea, and it is this fake plant. It was around $30. And I already have one out on my porch and I love it so much. It looks so good. And I wanted another one for the other side. I have tried to keep real plants out there and they have all died on me. I really don't like the look of large fake plants. A lot of the time they look really fake, but these ones look great and I love it. It gives some height and some greenery, and yeah, I like these. So second one. So next up, I got this other fake plant. This is, I don't know, is this supposed to be lavender? Lavender fake plant. This was $9.99 from Ikea, and I also got this cute little pink planter. This was only $1.99, and these are really cute together. I'm trying to bring some color to my patio, so I thought this might go really well. I also picked up this little lantern thing from Ikea. This was $3.99, and you just put a little tea light in it, and I don't know, I thought it might look cute out there. We will see. I also picked up this little tea light holder. I was hoping that when you put a tea light in, because of the holes, it will like shine the light through really cool. So, but they kind of, you know, they kind of match. It's like a theme. We'll see. And then the last thing that I got from Ikea is this wooden trellis. I actually picked up two of them. It's one of these things. So the reason why I got this is my balcony has large spaces between it, and I'm so scared that the dog is gonna try and poke his head through and walk on this super little ledge. The cat has already done it. The cat is banned from going on the porch because he has walked on this little tiny ledge over to the neighbor's balcony. He's done it twice. He snuck out twice. So his porch privileges are banned. And the one time that he did it, I was out there sitting with him and he just somehow, I took my eyes off of him for 1 second and he was across the bridge. He really likes to go out on the porch, so I'm really hoping maybe he can't fit through this. We will see. So that's all I got from Ikea. So let's head over to Marshalls. I spent like 3 hours in Marshalls. Guys, if you have been following me on Instagram, my tag is right here. It's at HelloKristenTV. Definitely head over there and follow me if you are not doing so already. But you will see that I have been on such a health kick recently. I've been buying vegetables and produce and coming up with super healthy, clean eating meals, and I always post them on my Instagram stories. So make sure you are following me over there if you are interested in that. I also post all of like my home decor stuff and my DIY projects and shopping adventures. So make sure that you are following me over there. It's at HelloKristenTV. So I picked up these are produce savers. So I don't know if they actually work or not, but I picked them up. Even if they don't, these are really nice clear acrylic bins, and I think that they'll store all my stuff really nice. The large ones were only $9.99. I picked up 2 large ones, and they do either fruits or veggies. And then I also picked up a smaller one for like berries. So I'm excited for this because I love berries. If you ever bought anything from like Marshalls or Home Goods, you'll know that they have these really annoying stickers on them, and they always place them on like the worst places. So like on a picture frame, smack dab right in the middle on the glass. So a really good life hack to getting these stickers off is to get a hair dryer and to blow dry it so that the heat will start to melt the glue, and then it's easier for it to peel off. So I use this all the time. So yeah, this is like, I can't even get my nail underneath there to get it started. So just be careful because it can get a little bit hot. Oh yeah. It came off super clean right away. Life hack. Speaking of food, I actually picked these up in line. These are called flackers. I usually never get food from Marshalls because it's Marshalls, but I turned it over. The ingredients on here are organic flax seeds, organic apple cider vinegar, and sea salt. That is it. I've been eating them with the avocado tzatziki dip from Trader Joe's, and it's so good. I got this cat at Marshalls. What are you doing? There. What? Also, speaking of produce, I just watched a YouTube video on how to grow your own pineapple. So I'm gonna try and do that. Bought a pineapple, cut off the top, put it in water till roots grow, and then plant it. Either way, I love the way that these look, so we'll see. I'll keep you updated on this. I picked up 2 candles from Marshall's. This one is from Sand and Fog, and it is limoncello, and it is so summery and refreshing and uplifting. I absolutely love it, and I love the fact that it says it's made with essential oils. I was standing there, like there was a whole bunch of other ones that I really liked, and as I was sniffing them, it was like shock to my brain, and I started getting a headache. But when I smelled this, I don't get that same weird feeling. So I really do love the ones that are made with essential oils. So I got this one, and I also got this one for my little meditation space. It is Meditate, and it is lavender and sandalwood, and this one is also infused with essential oils, so love this. Now he's in it, he's just exploring all the bags. Sorry, just let me get this. He was on sale, 75% off. Okay, and then I picked up these 2 bowls for Ollie's Food. And the cool thing about this is these look just like shark baits bowls, except the colors are reversed. So shark baits bowls are black with white lines, and this is white with black lines. So I thought aesthetically pleasing, and these were only $3.99 each. So really love these. They like match my whole apartment. I absolutely love this for outside. I got this tray, and this is from Marshall's, and it is, I think it's Tommy Bahama, and it was $19.99, and it's really heavy, and it's really good quality, and it's different. I also got this little to-do pad, and there are so many times that I'm just sitting at my desk and I just want to scribble down like some things I need to remember to get, so I got this. This was $2.99. I got a few clothes from Marshall's. I'll do them really fast. This is like Lucky brand. These white shorts are so good, and you can't see through them, and these were only $14.99. This is really different for me. This was 20 bucks, but I thought it would be really cool for like brunch, or like, I don't know, brunch. And then just like this black bodysuit thing, and plain black tank top for working out. $5.99, can't go wrong with that, and it's so soft. That's all I got at Marshall's. Let's move on to Walmart. I got these pillows. These are indoor outdoor pillows, guys. Look at their texture. They're boho, and they're outdoor pillows. They were $10, $9.99, and they had a bunch of different ones that you could like mix and match. Guys, outdoor pillows are so expensive and like hard to find ones that look like this. I was shook. Like, these are amazing. I want to get these for, they probably look good in here. I need to go back and get another one for my chair now. Anyway, God, I could not believe it. Oh, and then finally from Walmart, I just got like this other glass tea light. It has like these ridges on it, and I like the way that these types of tea lights reflect light out of here. So this video was a little bit short. I just wanted to show you the haul. Like I said, make sure that you are subscribed, because I'm going to be doing a patio makeover if you are interested, and I'm so excited for summer. I would be doing it today, but it's kind of really crappy outside, and I don't want it to rain on all of my new stuff. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.